Yes, Grok has stopped the free plan, but I will show you a new app that generates images and videos. See some videos I created with this new tool.
Oh, see my new bike? Let me ride it so you can see. Bingo, go catch it!
Guys, if you want to create videos like this, watch this video to the end.
The most interesting thing about this app is that it has no watermark at all, and it's easy to use. Let's get started.
Alright guys, go straight to your Play Store or your Apple Store, then search for Quen Chat. That's Qwen, Quen Chat. Search for it and this is what the app look like. Install it to your phone. Once you're done installing it, click on open to open the app. Then you need to sign up using your email, okay? Click on login, then it's going to show you the interface where you can sign up. So click on sign up down here. Then you're going to have to put your name, your email, password, and create your account. It's as easy as that. Then let's move to the next step, which is generating prompts for your video. So the idea behind generating prompts for your video is just as simple as telling ChatGPT the idea of your video. Just explain it in simple form. So now let's say I want to generate a short 5 seconds video of a cartoon character boy trying to ride his bike. So this is what I'm going to give ChatGPT. Exactly that idea I have in mind. It's just what I'm going to type for ChatGPT, that it should give me a prompt to generate this video. Then ChatGPT is going to give me a well-detailed prompt that will bring that idea to life. So after typing this, I need a video prompt for a 5-second scene of a boy trying to ride a bike. So it says, "Oh, see my new bike. Let me ride it so you can see." So it should also be a 3D cartoon character. So because I want it to be cartoon, so you have to be specific about the kind of character you want: realistic, 3D, Pixar style, whatever style you want, you indicate it and tell ChatGPT that. So once you're done, you're going to send your prompts and ChatGPT is going to give you a well-detailed prompt. So let's say you are sending your idea for ChatGPT to give you a prompt. Are you getting it now? So now wait for your prompts to load. So here is the prompt ChatGPT gave me. 5 seconds video prompt, boy with new bike. So I'm going to copy this prompt. Just scroll down. You're going to see the option to copy there. But you know that everything is not a prompt. There are some things that ChatGPT said there. So just copy it. Then I will edit out the things that are not actually the prompts. Like this place, resolution 1080 or 4K. That's where the prompt ends. So I'll just remove the excess parts of it. Then I will go up to and remove some parts of the prompts. So the prompt starts from here: create a high realistic 3D blah blah blah. So I'm just going to remove it, the one that is at the top, remove it from the prompt, and our perfect prompt is going to be what? Ready. Now we have to go back to Quen app after we must have signed up. Once you get here, click on this plus button at the bottom left, then click on create video. Then you're going to see the space to put in your prompt. So just paste your prompt here. If you want to choose your ratio, click on this ratio part here, this 16:9 you're seeing. Select the size you want. Okay, so this is the size I want. Then I'm just going to send it and wait for my video to generate. It doesn't take time. Within few seconds your video is ready. So let me click on it so you can see it in full screen. As you can see, the video came out well. So click on this arrow to download your video, and as you can see, file downloading. It will download to your device immediately. So that is how to generate video using the site. So the next step is how to generate image. So let's start a new chat. Click on the plus button, select create image. Then you put your prompt here. So let me just create something very simple. Let's say you can choose your size. So I'm choosing a different size for this image, 9:16. So I'll generate image of an African woman carrying a newborn. So just something simple like that. You can get more well detailed prompts from ChatGPT based on your ideas. Okay, so I just, for tutorial purpose, I just want to generate something simple. So click on send and your image will start loading. It doesn't take time too. Just wait for a few seconds and your image is going to be ready. As you can see, image of an African woman carrying a newborn baby. Click on the arrow button to download. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more AI updates. Bye bye.
Oh, see my new bike? Let me ride it so you can see.